Hello everyone, my name is Mike, and I'm one of the moderators for the Stock and Options room at ShadowTrader. Obviously I'm doing something a little bit different this week for this Shadow Short. Rather than put out a trade call or show a chart on a trade idea, I thought I would maybe review a little bit how things are going in the room for us this year and talk about what we actually do during my sessions. So I'm a swing trader, and we'll take trades that are directional. 2 days, 3 days, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, whatever. Definitely longer than 1 day unless it turns into a loser and we have to get back out. And that happens. But I use stock shares. I trade single leg options directionally to apply a little leverage carefully. And we spend a lot of time studying charts, and I do my best to transmit what I know about technical analysis and how I interpret the narrative of a chart. So I'm not a trading guru. I'm not a market wizard. I don't even have a college education. I'm just a commercial fisherman from Alaska that finally figured out how to stop getting screwed by the market and losing money. So I decided many years ago that when I decided how to do this and profitably, that I would do my best to help other people get to that point themselves. And so when the opportunity a while back came to work with Peter, I thought that's a great opportunity to do exactly that. So I don't look at my time in the room as a trade calling service. My passion is to actually teach people how to fish rather than hand them a fish. And so we spend a lot of time going over charts, drilling down on the details of, again, like I said, what I do. We spend a lot of time talking about the difficulties, about the ups and downs, the emotional, psychological aspects of what it takes to get. And I'm trying to be as transparent as possible with my trades. We regularly look at my spreadsheet to see how we're doing. And right now, this year, we're up about 190%. Been bound return on the year since January 1st. We've been bouncing around that for a bit here. I don't set goals with my trading. I definitely just execute my system as best I can, and I let the fruits of that be what they will be by the end of the year. And so I moderate right now 3 days a week at 12 noon Eastern time, and I'll go as long as people want to go. I can go for a couple hours. Sometimes I'll go for an hour, hour and a half, depending on how much interaction there is, and there's room for interaction for people to ask questions and drill down and try to get into my head as much as you want to. I think people will get out of it what they want and how much they want to apply. So, I know how to take losers. Right now my win rate is 1.75 losers over winners. So it's one thing I try to be very transparent about as well. So I don't know if our ROI is going to go up or down from here. I just do the best I can to execute my system and teach what that system actually is. So beyond that, I'd like to extend a personal invitation to those of you who might be interested in learning swing trading. That's definitely my emphasis. So I guess, as Peter would say, without further ado, let's get going. And I invite you to the room. And yeah, as always, I wish you good trading, and hopefully I'll see you in the room.